Malignant mesothelioma, types, causes, stages and treatment options by Francisco Rodriguez. Malignant mesothelioma less than http://www.mesotheliomaternifreeconsultation.com greater than is an uncommon form of cancerous tumors originating in the body tissue known as the mesothelium. The mesothelium is a specialized layer of cells that line and protect many internal organs such as the chest and abdominal cavities. How to find mesothelioma clinical trials. The advertisement for clinical trials appears in cancer centers, newspapers and magazines. Many people enlist for the clinical trials out of their own will. They speak cancer research centers and doctors and express their wish to volunteer for clinical trial. These people do so because they want to help other cancer patients who suffer like them. However, apart from all this, the best place to check out about clinical trials is online. Lots of websites gives information about the trials taking place and how volunteers can participate in them. What are the phases of mesothelioma clinical trials? Mesothelioma clinical trials are normally done in 3 phases. 1 phase I trial. This trial involves only very few people. It is used to test the effectiveness of the new drugs or new type of treatment. 2 phase II trial. This trial involves a larger group of subjects. The drug's side effects, safety, dosage and effectiveness are tested using this trial. 3 phase III trial. This trial involves a huge amount of people from various cancer treatment centers simultaneously. This is a comparative trial in which the new medicine or type of treatment is compared to the existing ones. The comparative risks, benefits and effectiveness are analyzed. If the cancer has length beyond the mesothelium to other parts of the size, symptoms may include pain, trouble swallowing, or swelling of the neck or engaged. Symptoms of peritoneal mesothelioma include weight loss and cachexia, abdominal swelling and suffering due to ascites, a buildup of fluid in the abdominal cavity. Exposure to airborne asbestos particles increases one's risk of developing malignant mesothelioma. Diagnosis: doctors usually make an incision through the chest wall and insert an instrument called a thoracoscope between 2 ribs to view the area. Doctors will then do a biopsy to select a tissue sample that can be analyzed under a microscope. Stages of mesothelioma. Stage I. The cancer is found in the lining of the chest cavity near the lung and heart or in the diaphragm of the lung. Stage II. The cancer has spread beyond the lining of the chest to lymph nodes in the chest. Stage II. Cancer has spread into the chest wall, center of the chest, heart, through the diaphragm, or abdominal lining, and in some cases into nearby lymph nodes. Stage IV. Cancer has spread to distant organs or tissues. Prevention trials. These trials are directed towards finding out a way to avoid the occurrence of mesothelioma. These studies use people who do not have mesothelioma or people who have had it but now the cancer is in remission. They try to find out ways to prevent recurrence. Francisco Rodriguez. About the author. Do you need a mesothelioma lawyer? Less than http://www.mesotheliomaternifreeconsultation.com greater than